Hi, you wanna clear cache in Safari on the iPhone 16? Then open Settings. Here, go in the Apps tab. After that, find your Safari. Great. And now we need to scroll till the end to go in the Advanced Settings. Then choose the website data. And now to clear cache, you will need to select this red option to remove all website data. Also, as an alternative way, you can just open Safari itself. Here, tap on this book icon, which is for the history. Now select the clear option, and after that choose the time frame you want to clear up. For example, last hour or today and yesterday, or all history. Also, as for additional options, you can close all tabs. Let's select all history and confirm by pressing this red button. And now we cleared some cache. So that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.